Today I'm going to give you a really simple DIY complete guide to making your own roller for your heart health. Well, our heart beats 2.5 billion times over the average lifetime. Millions of gallons of blood are distributed throughout our body every single day. What an important job. Our heart, it helps flush that blood through, and it carries oxygen, fuel. It helps with hormone regulation, and of course, even our waste products of our metabolism. Our heart is a critical part of who we are and our health. And so if the heart stops functioning properly, then of course essential functions will fail, and some of them almost instantly. So taking care of our heart is so important. I'm so glad that you're joining me today for this important topic. Well, a lot of contributors to our cardiovascular health are poor diet. That is one of the first simple things that we can look at is our diet. Lack of exercise, lack of moving our body. Of course, smoking is not indicated and not optimal for our heart health. Any infections sometimes can affect our heart. And of course, sometimes our genes. But you know, there's a whole new study right now called epigenetics that you can change your gene expressions by the things that we eat. So just because some of us are maybe predisposed for cardiovascular issues doesn't necessarily mean that that has to be your future. You can choose to turn on certain genes by the way we live our lifestyle and by our foods that we eat. So super important. It makes you feel a little bit more in control than just being at the mercy of our genes. Well, all these things can contribute, but of course, one of the key problems with cardiovascular health is arthrosclerosis. Well, what is that? That's an accumulation or pockets of cholesterol or gunk that gets inside of our arteries. This can also be called plaque, and so this limits the blood flow that goes through our arteries, and of course, this nourishes the heart and can cause a heart attack or even a stroke. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like so you can find out about content on this channel. Well, many times with our heart, it can be attributed to as we age. So as we age, a lot of times we have heart disease, but it doesn't have to be inevitable. It doesn't just have to mean, hey, well, I had heart health issues in my family, so I'm going to be predisposed to that, and it's just inevitable and the sky is falling. There are things that we can do at home, really simple things to help lead a healthier lifestyle for our heart. Especially when we're starting at a young age, it can go a long way to preventing those concerns. Of course, first off is a healthy diet. Now, does that mean you're only going to eat, leafy greens and things from the forest? No, but it's that 80-20 rule, making those better choices every single day for our heart. So a healthy diet, moving our body regularly. And again, this doesn't have to be grueling or something horrible or boring. It can be fun. Go outside for a walk, play outside, do something that is fun to move your body every single day. And getting a good night's sleep. Our heart, it works so hard, and so rest time at night is so important for rebooting our health when we sleep. Well, one of the first things that I want to offer you that is going to be pivotal for your heart health is the dual chambered capsules, the turmeric dual chambered capsules. These are amazing. We love taking these turmeric capsules all the time. So you have your turmerones and your curcuminoids all in one. So you have the powder as well as the oil in one. Taking 2 per day is going to help just turn down the inflammation in our body overall. And guess what? Cholesterol needs inflammation to adhere to the arteries. So if we can help lower inflammation overall, it's going to help with our heart health. So 2 turmeric dual chamber capsules every single day for your heart health. You're going to love this. It has many, many benefits. So digestive support, occasional pain and discomfort. Also, it helps flush out those free radicals in our bodies that help us, those things make us age, right? So it also has a very unique delivery system from doTERRA. So again, you've got your key ingredients together in one convenient capsule. So for better absorption, the curcuminoids, which research just shows that they have poor bioavailability, but when you combine it with the turmeric, so with the essential oil, when you combine them the way doTERRA has with the oil and the herb all in one, you're going to have better bioavailability. What does that mean? That means you're going to have better results. And so you're not just wasting your supplements and they flush out. If you're ready to grab your turmeric dual chambered capsules, you can go ahead and grab that right at roxysaran.com, and say that a few times fast and you'll love this video. Go to roxysaran.com. All right, so here's the star of the show, the Heart Healthy Roller that you can roll over your heart every morning and every night to help support your heart. So 10 drops of each of these oils. The rest of it, you can do fractionated coconut oil. I love doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil because it's already pre-dilute, it's already liquid all the time at room temperature. And so if you use a different type of coconut oil, it can get hard and then your roller won't work properly. So I love doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. It is not going to stain your clothing or your sheets. It doesn't go rancid. It doesn't smell, all of that. So ylang ylang, Copaiba, lemongrass, cypress, frankincense, and marjoram. Those are the superstars of this Heart Healthy Roller. 10 drops of each, the rest coconut oil. So again, ylang ylang, Copaiba, lemongrass, cypress, frankincense, and marjoram. You're going to roll this over your heart every morning and every night. So this is easy to put on your nightstand and use this every morning and every night for heart health. So let's talk about each individual oil briefly. So ylang ylang, this is going to help with antioxidant support. It helps relax your body. It's going to help with calming. It helps that occasional blood pressure that might be elevated. It's going to help with arrhythmia of the heart. If you've got those sensations of your heart racing or palpitating, you're going to love that. Also, it helps with stress and tension. So ylang ylang is going to be a game changer for your heart health because it helps just calm everything down. We love the way ylang ylang smells, and it does such great things. The next essential oil in this roller blend today is Copaiba. So Copaiba essential oil, again, excellent for heart health, great to do even under your tongue every morning and every night for heart health. But for this roller, 10 drops in the roller, it's going to help with that occasional elevated blood pressure. It's going to help with those feelings of stress and tension that you might feel. Also very, very calming to the body and to the heart. And it's a natural anti-inflammatory. Remember in the first section, we talked about why lowering the inflammation in our body is going to be beneficial, right? Are you tracking with me? Okay, the next one we want to talk about is lemongrass. So lemongrass, it's a natural anti-inflammatory. Again, do you see a theme here? Natural anti-inflammatory, helps with that occasional blood pressure that might be elevated, helps with stress, it helps with cholesterol. If you go to pubmed.gov and look up lemongrass and cholesterol, you're going to find some studies there on pubmed.gov, so look that up. So it's going to help with cholesterol, also with circulation. So lemongrass, superstar essential oil for heart health. Okay, the next one in this roller that we're going to talk about is Cypress. So Cypress helps with circulation, poor circulation. It helps with blood clots. It also keeps our heart healthy and any tension that you might be feeling. So Cypress is a vasodilator, helps keep that blood moving and pumping properly. Okay, you can start to see why all of these oils are in this awesome superstar blend. Okay, frankincense. Frankincense, another, guess what? Anti-inflammatory. Anti-inflammatory, helps with stress, helps with poor circulation, helps with heart health. This is one that is great under the tongue as well. So not only keep this roller bottle by your bed every night, but frankincense and Copaiba every night under your tongue, 1 or 2 drops, morning and night. You're going to start to see a change in your optimal health. You're going to love that. So frankincense, anti-inflammatory, stress, poor circulation, heart health, and it helps for after a stroke. If you have had a stroke, frankincense is a game changer. We have some amazing testimonials with frankincense for individuals on our team that have used it after a stroke, and we've seen miracles of them walking, being able to talk, and restoring health. So super important with frankincense. Okay, the next one is marjoram. So marjoram is naturally a sedative. It's very calming and soothing, helps with that elevated blood pressure. It's going to help with those feelings of stress. Again, helps with circulation, heart health, and another one that is going to be great as an antispasmodic, and even helps with occasional pain. So all of these are a superstar for your heart healthy blend. So let's recap. 10 drops of each, the rest fractionated coconut oil from doTERRA. Ylang ylang, Copaiba, lemongrass, cypress, frankincense, marjoram. You're going to roll that over the heart every morning and every night. Really easy to do. This is going to last you, might even last between 4 and 6 months, depending how liberally you're going to use your oils. But it's going to last you a long time. It's going to be a game changer for your heart health. And I can't wait to hear about it, how it's going for you in the comments below. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. I hope to see you in our next video.